welcome back to our channel, guys. We're gonna be doing this challenge video where we basically go fishing with dental floss, and we have to try not to break it when we're going fishing. This is our bait, a bologna and a hot dog. This is our breakfast. So we're gonna be going to a fishing spot behind Subway, which is a freaking good restaurant. My friend's mom works there. Okay, that's so much information. So yeah, we're basically just walking there, and it's a nice peaceful day. When we get there. It's Monday. Oh, it's okay. So we're here at the fishing spot, guys. Behind Subway, we've got our bait right here. We're gonna just chop this up. Use it as bait, and this small piece. We're just gonna put it right on the wall.
No, over here. Okay, we'll be back when we get everything ready. Go.
Okay, guys. Just gonna throw it out.
Yeah. Dropping the bait.
Put the bait in this.
Unravel it.
So we're just
Let him go. Let him go. A lot go.
okay. As you can see, we're just putting the bait in.
Well, we have to unravel it first.
Yeah. I'm gonna actually hold it.
Ready? Go. Is that not? No, we need a lot more.
Okay.
Find a small stick. Hold on. Grab a stick like this, and then just put it through here. And now just throw it. Now hold on to the stick and I'll throw it. Ready?
Yep.
Now let it unravel.
Okay, got it? Not yet.
I'll just pull this. That's all you gotta do. Ready? Okay, now we gotta throw it. Ready, Will? Throw it.
Almost there.
Here, you hold the camera. I'll do this. Here, take over. It feels like a bowl. Hey, hold on to the line too. Okay. Oh, it's hooked. Okay. We'll get back to you if we catch some.